One morphosynthetic feature that I really like is the present perfect. The aspect, the perfect, and the time, the present perfect, usually called my attention because we don't have this in Portuguese. And when I learned English, I was kind of getting into the fluency, I starting to speak English, and I found that amusing. And it's really hard because we can see that in Portuguese and we cannot make a correlation. Anyway, I teach my students by asking them with the simple past. For example, Mariazinha asked me, eat an apple yesterday? And she says, did you eat an apple yesterday? So I tell them that they must take a look at the adverb of time so they know how to start a question. The same goes for simple present. For example, Joãozinho asked me, eat an apple every day? And he does, do you eat an apple every day? Anyway, but the present perfect, we have 6 cases. So I tell them that how we say it would be the subject plus the auxiliary verb have or has if he, she, it, plus the past participle, eating, the third column. Anyway, they understand that they have 6 cases. I don't get too complex in theory, telling me that present perfect is something that started in the past and affects the present, because they tend not to remember and it gets boring. So I usually keep repeating our cases and we practice them, like the time isn't over for today, I have eaten pizza today, or when the time is not mentioned. For example, I have been to Italy, I have gone to Sao Paulo, and I have seen this movie. Or the other cases, I really just show them. I have been there since 4 o'clock, or a starting point, or I have been there for 4 hours. Anyway, already, yet, and still negative. So I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Ever and never. Have you ever broken an arm? No, I have never broken an arm. And the last one, it would be the recent time for just. I have just eaten pizza. I have been sick recently, or I have been at home lately, or I haven't. Anyway, I think that's it for today. Thank you.